team. We're now doing a test for clients for production line on newswire and medical mask wires because these 4 months and 5 months it is a pandemic situation. In order to support our customers' business, we test the machine at our factory firstly and teach them how to install the machine clearly so that it is very helpful for them to start a business without any means that we can do the online supporting for our customers. And this is our project qualification certificate and every details so that we test the products, test the machines. For the payoff, test this the tension and whether it is qualified. And also go to the straighter and for the main extruder machine for the screw and the keychain, and also the screw and the belt and etc. Also go to for the control box. This is PLC systems for Siemens brand, and the testing every details for our electricity engineers. And also, especially for the accumulators. Accumulator is a little bit difficult to install, so in order to help our customers, we install at our factory and also doing the details of install, assembling, and take photos and videos for our customers, and also test these devices in to confirm its qualities. And this is the water tank. And how to install the glass and small parts on the surface of the accumulator so that our customers can use the inflexible. And this is the tester. Also test for the capstan parts. We have we'll check the wheels and bearing and also the shift gears whether it has in the capstans details. This is a related a meter counter. And other products go into the teacup. The teacup has as you see these devices, the tension has 2 parts. It's from accumulator part and also it can operate it on the teacup machines. It's very flexible and to our client to operate the machine inconveniently. And this is a teacup. A teacup we can adjust the wings and make that can wider or narrow. Or this is the left shift and this is the right shift. And this is means that we can adjust this narrow and wide. Is very inconvenient for our clients. As you see that this complete production line is on the horizontal line. It's the same level. So when you install and change your technically, the machine is keeping the same lines. So I hope this video is helpful to you to learn this production line. Also, in order as you know that the pandemic will last for some months, but it will going to end. So if the demanding for the newswire and the medical mask wires reduce, also our machines can use for house wires and electrical wires, and also it can use for the PVC wires by change its screw. So we design a machine with 2 screws for our clients, which is one is for PP raw materials, another one is for PVC raw materials. So it is very flexible for our clients, a present business and a future business. And hope this video will help you to see our online supporting for customers and give you more information to place order in confidence at this pandemic situation. I wish you stay strong and stay safety. Pandemic will going to end, and wish our business recovery